tell you something. I think my mother probably did just born when this era hit. So I'm already at a disadvantage, I'm telling you. But it's time to guess that 60s song. And if we can name the artist as well, even better.
All you talk, in the 60s, I was not even...
16.
60s, about 52.
Then at 60s,
So
you're not
62,
12, you left primary school.
I'm 10 years older than Jamaica. All right, run the track, I can see if I can do it.
Oh, honey, honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting
All right, stop.
you.
I think it named Candy Girl, but I don't know who's singing.
Sugar,
Right there.
honey,
Right there.
honey, you are my candy girl.
Sugar.
And you got
I first knew about Archies.
wanting
Archies
you.
came in 1969. I was 17 years old. You can't watch. You didn't know.
So I don't know your name, but me hear a song before.
We don't get none of that. Go on again. Where you gone all the way up? Sugar. You couldn't play a Greg Isaac song something.
When I can't find the one song on the find in the 60s.
What's that producer here, man? Hey Jude Beatles.
Then I start the
Hey
song with the
Jude
name of the song.
Beatles.
When I start the song with the name of the song.
Well, you never know Hey Jude. Somebody say, hey Delia, hello, am I right or am I right?
Watching the ships roll
Sitting at the dock of the bay.
I'm going to tell you, Otis Redding.
Woo! Sitting on
Otis
the
Redding.
dock of the bay.
So she get the name, I get the singer. The first one,
Watching
only
the
don't. Yeah, only don't tell me about the Hey Jude
roll
Beatles.
away.
I never right.
Ooh, Lord, sitting on the dock of the
Nah, work with me,
bay.
you know.
Wasting time.
No, but I wasn't right for the Hey Jude before. And I was right for the Otis Redding. All right. There we go. There we go.
Them can't.
Unchained Melody, Righteous Brothers. Unchained Melody, Righteous Brothers.
Are you serious?
Well, you should know that because that came back in the movie Ghost. Yeah. No,
Is that not serious?
No, never.
Come on, man. And ask you something difficult, man.
pretty woman.
Woo!
Name Pretty
Down
Woman.
down the street,
Name Pretty
pretty woman. In the movie by starring Julia Roberts.
So I said Pretty Woman, so I get it again.
Pretty
I
Woman.
couldn't remember Roy Orbison.
Pretty woman.
Come again.
When did I ask you a tough song I listen?
Wait, no.
When it's cold outside, I've got the mother
Temptations.
me.
Temptations, wait, no.
I guess you say
My girl.
make
Temptations,
me
my girl.
feel this way.
My girl. Cher.
Talking about
my
Lord,
girl.
as him says how to come with him Valentine's gift.
Which
baby.
Valentine's gift?
Well, I don't know if all that's true, 'cause you got me.
Baby, I got you. Are Sonny and Shirelles?
Yeah.
Sonny and Cher.
Wicked. I got you.
You, baby.
So she get the name, now I get the...
I got you, baby.
Wicked name. You got the I and I.
Then you used to play enough music at my house and me and
Wait, no.
picnic.
Ray
That's Ray
Charles.
Charles.
Wait, now, so tell you.
Sometime.
Ray Charles.
Go and play a song, I could tell you your name now.
It's Ray Charles. What can what name? What name?
Why you couldn't play rest of Ray Charles, I couldn't know the name of my song.
Wait, Ray
Memories it name?
She said love don't
Come eat. Is this Diana Ross? No, not Diana
Supremes.
Ross. Supreme. It's not Diana Ross. Who else in the Supremes but Diana Ross?
No.
You can't hurry, love. No, you just
Supremes.
have to wait. The good times, no matter how long
What
it
the Great
takes.
Charles in
How
there? What the
many
Great Charles in there?
heartaches must I have?
I can't stop loving you, yeah. I can't stop loving you, yeah.
What not good like?
Can't
What
stop
not good
love,
like?
yeah.
What not good like? What not good
Can't
like?
stop
What
loving love, dear.
not good like?
Come here.
Will you still love me tomorrow?
Will you still love me
Tomorrow.
Hold on. I will sing. I will sing that. Everybody, I will sing it. No, Gladys Knight. That's not Gladys Knight. It's
as
like
the moon.
Patty Duke. or
It's
one of
the
them people.
morning sun.
I don't know. It's Shirelles. Nope. I would never have gotten that one.
Well, Ferrancia Gladys Knight.
Don't tell me. Don't tell me.
Lifting me higher.
No. I know Prince tell me the
lifting
last
me.
name, but I
Love
tried to remember the
lifting
first
me
name.
higher.
Jackie Wilson.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yep.
But Prince told me.
Well, you not go like we. You not go like
No, I
we.
mean, never
You
get
not
that
go
one.
like we.
Prince did tell me that one.
The name of Jackie Wilson, but not the name of the song.
Oh, you didn't know the name of the song?
Your love keeps, then I say, your love keeps lifting me. Your love
We have
keeps
Tizik.
lifting me.
Yep.
Your love keeps
have
lifting me
Tizik?
higher.
Up to that woman, man. Give her something for chick, make she calm down.
But
That's
no,
it?
wait, I'm making never come up. Happy Valentine. No, the gift, the thought, you see a gift, man. See a gift. Happy Valentine's Day, my honey bunny. Me, I want cupboard in my yard when need painting. So, my closet. So, you see when you come, which my clothes are hang up. This is how thoughtful I am. You know? I don't want your clothes hang up in one place when I look good. So, see the paint there. But if you buy the brush, I have brush. Tell me if you have brush makeup, and you just paint this side of the cupboard, the closet where you want, and your clothes. It's a very isn't that very thoughtful, Harold? Thank you. That's how it's very thoughtful. Very thoughtful, yeah. It's side where you want to hang up your paint, and you just. I never buy no brush, because I know you have brush. You read the instruction?
No, disrespect.
What do you mean disrespect? One of the most thoughtful Valentine's gift. The chocolate with a melt. That not melt, you know?
You me have a painting.
No, that's it. You see, and you can imagine, I can't bring back nobody else come to my house. You can imagine one man come to my house and say, I like the closet, and I say, never painted that. No, I couldn't do that. This is permanent.
She's such an idiot. She's such an idiot. All right. Well, I actually enjoyed the old music just now because I loved it. So thanks, producer. By the way, we have a new producer. I'll soon tell you about her. Look like she's learning from Shauna.